titanium Akrapovic system for the M8 Competition. All right, this thing comes with a 6 set of carbon fiber tips. You got the remove before flight on there, guys. Check this out. Super clean set of tips. Got that titanium brackets for the valves, so you got all the control. This thing is 50 pounds less than the factory system, guys. So you're saving weight, you're maximizing performance. Akrapovic has one of the sickest R&D departments in the world. So when you buy a system from them, it's a little pricey, but you're paying for quality. And for the most part, you got these paper. Look at that. Super light, super clean. Again, you cannot get a better system than titanium Akrapovic. This thing even has VIN numbers on the pipes, guys. Check that. Yeah, made in Slovenia, bruh. All right. I think they're making Volvos over there. They're also making Akrapovic. All right. Pretty sick. The system's amazing. Got an H-pipe, X-pipe concoction right there. They've tested it, guys. I don't even got to say much about it. I'm gonna show you guys the inside. You guys tell me what you think it is. It's X-pipe, H-pipe. Looks like both to me. Look at the inside of that. So this is a full mid-pipe. The stock factory mid-pipe you would not be able to hold up with one hand. You see that? I'm just super strong. This thing's like 90 fucking pounds right here. Just kidding, bro. It's super light. Probably 10 pounds. Whole mid-pipe on an M8. You're never gonna see a 10-pound mid-pipe on an M8. This thing's amazing. They even titanium coated, guys. So this is usually not the same color as titanium, but they hit it with a titanium coating to make it look like this, which is a great finish in my opinion. I think this thing looks sweet, bro. It's just sweet. It's just sweet. You can't get much better than this. So with Akrapovic, you're getting the most exotic type of sound you can buy. You're not getting basic stainless steel valve control system. You're getting the exotic pitch of titanium, that F1 race car type sound. So if you guys are looking for more high-end exhaust, you know, we don't just do Muffy D's, guys. We do full Acro systems and stuff like this on M8s, you know. So if you guys have an M8, you have an AMG, you know, Ferrari, they sell systems for all those cars. So reach out to us. Let us know what you guys think. We also have these on our website at gexhaust.com, and we install them at G Exhaust Davie, G Exhaust Oakland Park. So if you have any questions, reach out, guys. We got you. This thing is a work of art, man. I honestly don't even want to put these on the car. I want to just put them in my house, hang them up somewhere, you know, frame them, because that's what kind of work of art this is right here. Full titanium carbon fiber. This thing's sick, bro. Got the brackets for the tips. This thing's just, I can't say much, man. I mean, this thing's beautiful, guys. You know, you tell me what you think. You guys rather have the carbon tips, the stainless tips, or the black tips? Acro doesn't give you much options. It's pretty much full carbon fiber and titanium, but there are some other alternatives that we can run in the future if you guys decide to swap it. We got 2022 M8 Competition, 24, my bad. 2024, check that, 2024. Brand spanking new M8 Competition. Got the Tiffany blue paint job with the fucking fade on it. What you know about that boozy fade on a car fade? Got the stock system. We're getting rid of this thing. We're gonna slap a titanium full Akrapovic system. Got the carbon fiber tips. This system weighs about 190 pounds. We're gonna drop that shit like a sack of potatoes. All right, we're slapping this titanium cap back on there. Got, like I said, the carbon fiber tips. Comes with valve simulator or valve extensions. Getting rid of all this stock piping. This stock system is a full stainless steel. We're upgrading today, guys. This titanium, this is the mecca of all exhaust systems. Marcelo's dropping the system right now. We're gonna drop this all in one piece. Unfortunately, there's no connection pipes on these BMWs, so we gotta drop it all in one. And then we piece together this Acro system, which, like I said, one of the best systems on the market, guys. So I know you guys been waiting for this. M8, $150,000 car with a $10,000 exhaust system, guys. Clickbait for you guys. It is 10K though, so you gotta hear how it sounds like. Wait till the end, guys. Wait till the end. Don't click off, you fucking losers. Oh, good catch. Hold on.
Bro, this thing sounds fucking insane.